Hello all, this is your friend Meghna welcomes you all in today's video. Today's our topic is very interesting because it is related to this time. You know what today's our topic and story is all about? It is about fear of unknown things. Yes. So let's see fear first. What is fear? Fear is of like two kinds, known things and unknown things. The fear of known things is good for us. It protects us because if we are fearful of fire, we will protect ourselves from fire. Like that, it is good. But fear of unknown things could be dangerous. Why? Because we will keep on thinking negative, talking negative, responding negative. So it is not good for ourselves. Let's see what happen when we are fearful of unknown things. We are in a constant feeling of doubt of ourselves and others. We will feel angry, agitated. We will waste our time and energy. So these are the all respond to fear of unknown things. But why it happens? What is the cause of fear of unknown? Number one could be that something unexpected has happened. We have not expected and this has happened. Number two, something unseen, unheard has happened for the first time. We are not knowing the thing and that has happened. Number three, when we are coming out of our comfort zone. This could be the reasons for fear of unknown. So how to deal with it? What we should do? So and this one more reason I could find is that we are constantly exposing ourselves to the negative visual and hearing negative things. So what could be the solution? First, refrain yourself from a continuous negative exposure. Judge the situation and respond accordingly, but don't continuously watch negative, hear negative. Number two, when something unexpected is happened, just believe in higher power, have hope, have faith in higher power. There are two choices. We can think negative or we can think positive. So instead of thinking negative, why not to think positive? Number three, what we can do is that past has gone. We can't do. Future is unknown. So live in present moment. Do best use of this present time. Use this present time. Take the opportunities of the present time. And number four is that believe in yourself. Always take calculated risk and if possible have some backup plan. So let's see and hear the story of fear of unknown. So once upon a time in long ago, there lived a demon with a special power. He will not appear in front of other people, but he will first make a big loud noise. The more the person got frightened, that giant, that demon become, and they have to fight with them. So one day, three friends were passing through the jungle and it becomes night time. So other two are resting and turn by turn, one friend will protect them. So for the first friend's turn, that demon made sound. With the sound, that first friend got frightened. So much frightened that he saw a big form of that giant demon and he start fighting. But because he was giant and he was so much frightened, it becomes more and more giant and defeat the first friend. He fainted that friend. When the turn of the second friend comes, he also heard the sound of the demon. He has not seen the demon. He heard the sound, he got little bit frightened. So the medium form of the demon appeared. He started fighting with him, but because he was frightened, the demon becomes more and more giant, and he defeated the second friend also. When the third friend's turn come, he saw that his two friends are fainted. So he was a little anxious, but he was looking here and there that who did this, and he heard the sound. But he was not frightened. He was looking from the where the sound is coming from. Because he was not frightened, the normal form of the demon come, not giant, not medium. So as soon as he see the demon, he started fighting with him with all his senses and his mind and his strength. Because he was not frightened, the demon was becoming small and small in size, and it was easy for the friend to defeat him. So he defeated him. So that is the story. And this demon, the giant demon, represent our fear. The more we become fear, we lost our common sense, and then it is easy for that situation to defeat us. But if we become confident, use our brain and start fighting, it is easy to finish the fear and overcome the situation. I hope you like and feel connected to the story. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye.